Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. In this video, I'll just take a quick look at PS Audio and give my opinion on the smart thing that I think they've done that I think that a lot of companies really should really learn from. So we've got PS Audio. This is their homepage, and they are selling a lot of equipment, meaning that they deal with integrated power amplifiers, DACs, and that's kind of the point where I want to go, is that they're doing a similar thing to what AudioNote are doing, meaning that they are covering, like a full circle chain. So it's smart, they're making their own speakers. I wrote some notes here. They're making their own speakers, they're making their own power bars and grid generators, and they're one of the few companies that realize that you need a tube in the preamp to make transistors sound generally more pleasant, more balanced. And they also recommend cables that are what's it called? AudioQuest. AudioQuest cables are actually sound pretty decent on PS Audio gear, and it's funny they don't make their own cables, but yeah, fine. I mean, I tried it several times, AudioQuest cables on different levels on PS Audio equipment, and it's a pretty good match. It's a pretty good match. So that's basically what most companies should learn from PS Audio, that they have their own speaker, they make power bars, regenerators, tubes in their preamps, so you get a more whole experience when you have everything that's kind of made for each other. And I wish that more companies would do this instead of just making amplifiers or just making speakers or just making cables. If it could all come together in this way, that would be awesome. Also, weird thing, and now we're talking about this, I just remembered, Bob Carver, they make some pretty good equipment, but I never really understood why Bob Carver never made preamplifiers. As far as I know, Bob Carver, they don't make preamplifiers. I mean, they just make effect blocks, which can sometimes function as an integrated. I just find that a bit weird, because they make some pretty good amps, and especially when you combine it with AudioNote preamplifiers, and it's just a funny thing, a big company like Bob Carver. But yeah, Bob Carver also recently made their own speaker, and Griffin, they make their own speaker now. I don't think they did that in the start, but and Macintosh, they make their own speaker, and it's very suited for the Macintosh sound. Creates that very easy, big, solid volume sound, very easy American, cool sound, and it's quite okay. I just think price wise, and PS Audio just not really my kind of sound. I just find it still a bit too much in the usual transistor direction. But I just wanted to comment on what I think is a very positive thing that PS Audio did, and that was basically just creating a full circle, so that we have the preamplifiers talking with the power amplifiers, talking with the same type of sound with the speaker, and then you've got the the AutoQuest cables that they recommend, and just very well balanced. And I wish that more people would do this. So that's kind of everything that I wanted to bring up. and just wanted to reflect on that, because it doesn't sound like a lot, but it is kind of impressive, and I wish that companies like Pass Labs and I don't think Mark Levinson make a speaker, but Pass Labs, I'm pretty sure they don't make a speaker, and a lot of other companies don't make a speaker. They just stick to their one thing that they're good at. And sometimes you need to do that, but I just feel that more companies should follow this trend. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And yeah, if you can leave a comment and like the video, that would be nice. Have a nice day. Bye.